What's up, guys? I'm gonna be talking to you guys about something today, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys pretty much whether or not should you paper trade or not. And the answer is yes. And I want you guys to put something in perspective, right? Think of NBA players, right? NBA players, they practice many hours in the gym, constantly grinding, constantly just putting in tons of work. And the charts are no different. When you guys are on the charts, you have to realize that paper trading is not something that's going to be bad. Now, I'm not going to say sit there and paper trade forever till the end of time. Definitely not that. But when you first start, or if you're thinking of getting into trading, I definitely do recommend you guys paper trade for sure. Um, Paper trading at first is just going to help you guys test out a lot of strategies, kind of put some things into perspective, and really just kind of test out and see what you guys like. When you guys do continue to paper trade, you're going to be able to see, okay, wait, I'm going to see how this zone reacts here. I'm going to see if this analysis works out here. I'm going to continue to test out strategies over and over again and see what type of relations I can make based off of just paper trading, right? You guys can even just reset your account, reset your paper trading balance, see if you can prove to yourself, see if you can grow your account to a certain threshold. And if you reach that threshold, then go ahead and deposit some money, right? And that way you guys can go ahead and pretty much earn your position size in trading like you should be doing almost anyways. Okay. So when it comes to paper trading as well, I want you guys to not think of it as paper trading. So the reason why I say to paper trade as well is because when it comes to trading, I pretty much want you guys to take money almost completely out of the entire equation. Um, Money is not a factor when it comes to trading, and you need to just pretty much remove it from your mental because it's going to do nothing but make you greedy, make you sloppy, make you not happy with your profits, and just make you do stupid stuff. Because whether your account be at $1,000, whether your account be at paper trading, whether your account be $1 million of real cash, at the end of the day, no matter regardless of any of those circumstances, you should be trading the same exact way, regardless. Regardless if it's prop firm, regardless if it's $1 million account, regardless if it's a $2 million account. It literally doesn't matter. I don't care if it's fake money, real money, whatever. You should be trading the same way with your proper entry criteria. Whether if you trade reversals or breakouts, you should be trading properly with your stop loss already marked out and set. You should know what risk to reward you're going to have when the trade does hit your take profit. You should know how much you're going to gain or how much you're going to lose if this trade doesn't work out in your favor. It's lots of things you guys have to put in perspective in order to go ahead and advance to the next level. Okay. So look, when you're paper trading, take it serious and understand that in trading, money doesn't matter. Your money doesn't matter when trading. It literally doesn't. The amount of money that you have in trading does not matter. Once again, the amount of money that you have in trading does not matter. As long as you have enough to have a decent stop loss, risk to reward, I don't care if your account's $1,000 or $1 million. The only thing that truly matters is the type of entries you're taking, your take profit and stop loss being set, setting up alerts, and making sure you're sticking to your technicals. You think when LeBron gets on the court, I'm not too sure if LeBron just thinks about his $1 billion contract or hundreds of $1 million contracts. I'm sure LeBron just thinks about, okay, I need to score, I need to dunk, I need to put hoops up in the basket. And inshallah, if God wills, everything else will come, bro. The more that you guys stick to the breakout strategy, the more that you guys set your limit orders and pre-set up your trades, the more that you guys understand and do your research and keep paper trading, testing out strategies to see what you like, see what you don't like, see what works and see what doesn't work. Instead of sacrificing a whole 2 weeks at work trying some strategy, oh, I'm going to try this strategy this week. Next thing you know, you just literally lost it all. Meanwhile, you could have been paper trading and paying for mentorship. Now, that's what you guys should be doing. If you guys aren't confident enough to start trading, I want you guys to paper trade, and I recommend you guys pay for mentorship. Okay, get with me at stackmode.net. A lot of my students ended up starting off like that, and they ended up getting profitable very quickly. Okay, a lot of my students are making tons of great progress, and I really want you guys to be able to make the same type of progress. But in order for this to happen, you guys have to understand that if we're going to progress, we have to take this as serious as possible. Okay. I don't care if you guys don't think of it as paper trading. Think of this as trading. Trading at the end of the day is art. Remove money from this concept. Remove money from your brain in trading. In order to actually be a great trader, You have to be able to remove money from your brain. Because what's going to happen when you guys take a $10,000 loss? You guys are going to think of it like, oh man, I could have bought a car or something like that. Oh man, I literally just lost 10,000. Meanwhile, your wins could be 30 or 40,000, but you're not thinking of that way. But when you're thinking so money related, you're thinking so survival mode, the only thing that you're thinking about really is the fact that you just lost 10 bands, not realizing that you have the opportunity to really win 20 or 30K after that loss. Okay? So just calm down, relax. Don't think of the money in this game. I'm telling you, it's going to do nothing but really ruin you guys, and it's going to make your trading experience much more daunting than you guys think it needs to be. This is also why in my other video, I explained why you guys should be trading with money I'm not going to say money that you don't need, because we all need every dollar, of course, to protect and provide for our families and ourselves. But pretty much don't be trading with money that you guys desperately need, right? So any type of bread that you guys know you have to desperately hold on to, don't trade with like your rent, for example. Don't do silly stuff like that, because you're gonna end up putting yourself in a bad predicament, and you're gonna be doing panic trading. You're not gonna be patient waiting for the real setup. You're gonna be trying to trade some type of mini setup, fiending for some bread, trying to get your money back, or trying to just make some money. Okay, that's why I recommend, bro, paper trade. Build that patience up. Stack your bread in real life until you have a strategy where you're comfortable enough to be like, okay, I know what type of trades I'm going to look for. I know what I'm comfortable with, and I know what type of setups are nice for me. Let me go ahead and stick to this, and I should be good. Inshallah. Okay. And that's it, guys. Find your system, find your edge, get comfortable on the charts, get comfortable with your limit orders. Get comfortable looking at the candlesticks before you deposit bread into your account. Okay? There's nothing wrong with paper trading, bro. Paper trading is sick. Like, paper trading is really sick. Sometimes if you want to go test something out, or if you want to just see how some reactions work out, or just see some certain things that you might have questions off of, instead of risking your hard-earned actual bread, go ahead and just boot up a paper trading account, reset the balance real quick, and see how far you guys can get. All right? I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Don't feel bad at all for paper trading. Okay? If you guys want to just do it just to see if trading's for you, just go ahead and test out some strategies, just to go ahead and just get your feet wet. Go ahead and do it, man. Go ahead and do it. Nothing wrong with paper trading. Paper trade for some weeks, for some months, and then you guys can get off of it. But I don't recommend you guys stop paper trading until you're completely comfortable with the charts, with your setup. Make sure you guys have a system down packed. And if you're not comfortable, and if you don't have the system down packed, a system being you know how to find where your stop loss is going to be, you know how to find take profit, you know how to calculate your risk management to less than 10% of your account at a time per trade. And until you guys have your systematic sequences in place, I recommend you guys paper trade. Okay. And use their extra money instead of trying to put up a small account and just blowing it by making ignorance debt. Paper trade, invest in mentorship, and then you guys can actually stack up your real bread. And then instead of just losing money making ignorant mistakes, you can actually pay for the mentorship. And then when you do put in your real bread, you're going to be nice and Gucci and profitable very fast, inshallah. All right. I love you guys so much. It's Stack Mode Chris here. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunix.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunix.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunix.com. Link in description below. Peace.